Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright.
Oh, hey, drummers, it's Alan here for drumgrades.com. How's it going out there today? I'm here to give you another initial 2018 Trinity Rock and Pop drum lesson. And you may have guessed I'm doing Three Little Birds by Bob Marley and the Wailers. This is, well, what can I say about Bob Marley that hasn't already been said? He's a legend, an absolute god, and this is one of his biggest hits, and I'm going to attempt to show you guys this now. For some of you youngsters out there, you might not be particularly familiar with Bob Marley, but I would beg you to go on YouTube and check out some of his stuff. He's awesome. So anyway, let's just start off by reading you guys some performance tips from this song. This song features a style of reggae beat called one drop. This is because there is just one snare, rim click, and one bass drum, both played on beat 3 of each bar 9 onwards. It is a challenge to avoid playing the first beat of each bar on the bass drum as you normally would. Be precise when the bass and rim click are used together, and don't miss the variation in bar 40. So basically, all of us guys that have grown up in Western countries, you may say, anywhere that doesn't have reggae as like one of its main popular sources of music, we're very much used to playing the downbeat on the bass drum, and then the snare drum in 2 and 4 on the backbeat. Boom, bat, boom, boom, bat. We're really used to that way of playing things. We get in that habit. We're used to hearing it in some of our favourite songs. But reggae is a lot different. The formula that makes up the music is different. They don't emphasise those particular beats. One of the beats they emphasise more is beat 3. So we don't put that big downbeat on 1, we put it on the 3. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, bat, bat, you know, on that beat. So can be a bit unusual to begin with, but really not too bad, guys. You'll be fine with this one.